How does a Filipino make rice? This is how I was taught by my Filipino husband. Hey everyone, welcome back to Livin' La Vida Tagalog. I thought I'd show you right now. I was actually just about to make pot of rice and I thought to myself, what a great idea. How does a Filipino make rice? This is how I was taught by my Filipino husband. So I'm gonna go grab some rice out of the pantry real quick and I'll be right back out, so stand by. Okay, so kind of my funny story behind making rice. When we first got married and we were living together, we didn't have like a whole lot of, I guess, like kitchen stuff. And so I was looking everywhere for a measuring cup because we were gonna have some rice with dinner. And he kind of looked at me like, what do you need a measuring cup for? And I said, well, I'm gonna make rice. I need to know my measurements. So couldn't find a measuring cup, and that's when he taught me the trick. Okay, ignore my messy sink. I just cleaned the kitchen. So the first thing you have to do is wash your rice. So I always wash the rice really good so that it's not like super cloudy. And the thing about making the rice, you don't just use like any regular old bag of rice. I don't know if these measurements would work with any regular old bag of rice, but this is jasmine rice. So I'm really pay attention to the kind of rice that I'm getting and using now. Whereas before, I didn't realize there was so many different kinds of rice, but there are. So just gotta rinse the rice, wash it up. Okay, so now that most of my rice is, well, all of it is rinsed and it's clean, now you fill up the rice with water. And this is how you measure. To make sure you have enough water in your rice, you use the finger. So the top of the rice is touching the tip of my finger right here, and my water's going up right there, just about to that line. I have never had any issue, managed to make perfect rice every time using this trick. No measuring cup, it's perfect. And I still use the same tiny little rice cooker that I have since we first got married. And it's fabulous. Works really well. Does the job. And check it out. Perfect rice. Woo! Can't wait. Yummy.